Today I'm going to be using the MEATER Plus probe to smoke a piece of topside beef. Let's do it. Super simple to use. What you do is remove the probe from the charging base and then insert it into the center of the thickest piece of your meat. There's a line on the probe. You want to make sure that's gone inside the meat so that you've got the correct internal part in and you'll get accurate readings. Once your probe is inserted in the meat, you can set up your cook. So let's do that quickly. Get all the options. We want to choose a piece of beef. Let's find what we got. Topside. I am going to be doing this in a smoker, but it's actually an electric one. I'm going to put other. Here we go. It gives you your recommended temperatures for what you want. I actually want my medium rare, so we're going to go with that. And then once that's ready, start the cook. Gives you instructions, letting the probe into the thickest piece of meat. Once you followed that, it also reminds you to put your charging base next to your cooking device, as this is the sort of long range wireless transmitter. Start and it will come up with your estimated cook time. You have your temperatures here and we're ready to go. Here we go. Yeah, and okay, meat's in, so I'm gonna leave the probe next to the cooker and we're ready to go. Okay, so the cooker's started. You can see the ambient temperature is picking up as it's now, the meat is inside the smoker. We've got a target temperature and an internal temp. After a bit of time, it will estimate the cooking time. And we just need to wait. Okay, so I'm actually upstairs in my house. I wanted to show you that it's still downstairs cooking. We're connected to the probe because it's got such a good range on it. Just got the remove from heat notification. There we go. Okay, so we're in from the heat. See if I get a good angle of this. Get some light on that. We're gonna rest now, as the thermometer says.